want to do this.
You need to start the countdown.
Grandma, you step back a little bit, Grandma. There you go. Countdown. 10, T-10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off.
Oh yeah, I did it. Come on, launch the parachute. There it goes.
Zachary? All right. Check it out.
There it is. There it goes.
Soft landing. That was awesome.
It worked just like it's supposed to.
My head hurts.
Oh, why? Because it's so cold?
No, I was spinning on that thing.
Oh, okay. That's pretty slick, huh? They made a recovery. It actually came down pretty close to us, too. Wow.
Yeah, it doesn't look pretty now from the
That's awesome, huh? You guys can do another?
Nasty.
Does it? It smells like
Smell
burnt.
it. Get close to